Okay guys, welcome back to Zeke RC channel. Today I got Kyle with me. Carl had to go back to the house to get a controller. He forgot about it for his new car. We're gonna be driving that today. And then also we have the Capra. We're gonna do some little researching. We got some 2.2's on it, Pyrex, and we'll see how that goes. So mostly today it's going to be for the new car, so let's have fun.
A little bit too light in the back end.
I don't have rear bumpers.
All right, do it.
Oh no!
Oh, clear down. The stakes are quite high on that climb there. Look at that. Give you an idea of what he's climbing there.
Oh, you son of a...
Did it break the other?
It broke the other horn.
So it broke the front horn there, guys. It's See that? Broke the front steer horn. Dang it.
I knew Candace was...
And he has one and was gonna put it on, but didn't. That's how it goes, right? Always how it goes.